Good afternoon guys, and welcome back to another video where I've got something quite interesting to show you today, because we are going to take a look inside of a 2022 LG C2 OLED. Now, in order for me to show you this, I've come to LG's UK website and to the C2 page, and I'll leave a link for this in the description if you want to do this yourself. And what we need to do is go down to support, and that will drop us to the bottom of the page. And if we just go slightly up from that, we then need to head to Dismantling Information. Now, once you've downloaded that page, and I'm doing this on my phone just for ease, we've got this Dismantling Information up here. I'm guessing this is to stick to some sort of rules and regulations that they've got to do this sort of stuff. So we can see their OLED TV and C2 series. And if we scroll down, it gives us a contents there. So we've got materials and components, so we've got all these sort of components listed there, but the really interesting stuff is just a little bit down. So it gives us tools required to dismantle the TV, and that's basically what this is all about, showing you how you can do this. I'm guessing for environmental sort of purposes and whatnot. So yeah, here we go. So we've got there taking the batteries out of the remote, pretty easy stuff. But then we actually come down, a bit further down, we actually get to some photographs. So yeah, we can actually see inside of a C2. Now, it's not something I would personally do myself, but yeah, we've got the cover coming off the back there, and you can see that new squarer design there. So yeah, pretty interesting. And if we just move over, we get another closer view of the inside there, with that panel being lifted further off. And it goes on to say about, you know, what will be exposed just there once you lift that panel off. We can see the technician there taking off parts from the back of the TV. If we move over from that, we get a good view just there, and we can see the speakers, which are at the bottom of the TV. So obviously this is the bottom of the rear of the TV, and we can see all the circuit boards and components just there. And it really is bare in there, isn't there? There is not a lot to these TVs, and you know, this is why they are so thin. They are very sparse inside them. And just moving over, we've got another shot there. Again, you know, go and look at these yourself online, and you can have a closer look. And just scroll down a little bit further, and we've got the actual speaker units there individually, and the OLED module. So yeah, there is the bare panel with those components stripped off, and as we can see, you know, there is very little to it. And if we go just a little bit further down from that, we can see about the power cord. And the one thing that I hate about these TVs is the fixed power cord. But I say fixed, you can't actually take it apart from removing the back cover, and there is that plug just there, but you know, it's not an official way of doing it. You know, you could potentially void a warranty depending on where you are in the world by doing that, but you know, it's not a sort of kettle style plug attachment or anything like that. But you know, we actually get to see what that attachment is like. So yeah, all very interesting stuff. And just scrolling on down, find a little bit there about the capacitors and having those snipped out. Well, there you go then, guys. Something a little bit different there. I'm sure many of you will never have seen inside an OLED TV, let alone a brand spanking new 2022 model. So if you've appreciated this video and like to see me do more, give me a thumbs up, and please make sure you subscribe to the channel. So thanks very much for joining me today, and hopefully I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye for now.